We are soaring into the 70s, and so here's a little sneak peek out of the gate. I just want to show you. We'll be at 61 today, but tomorrow and Wednesday, forecasting upper 70s, which gets us into that record territory, and I think we have a great shot at tying it and a good chance of breaking these records. Come Thursday, we still could hold on to low 70s. It really depends on how much rain we get, because rain is looking likely on Halloween, but we will not be in the record territory Thursday, but still well above where we should be this time of year, which would be in the upper 50s. So right now, downtown Detroit, dark and early out there, it's calm. You can see the calm conditions across the board. 41 in the city, but 28 in Ann Arbor. So we have fallen well below the freezing mark in Ann Arbor, 35 in Pontiac and 34 in Monroe. So the kids still need all those extra layers as they head out to the bus stop. Let's talk about sunrise and sunset. There's a whole lot to talk about weather-wise this week, and one of it being sunrise and sunset, because this is the last week where our sunsets will be after 6 o'clock for the year, because we'll be falling back this weekend, and so it'll be setting earlier. Now, as we look at your bus stop forecast for today, it's still going to be dark at pickup time. Now, that obviously changes going into next week, but 35 degrees come pickup, 44 10 a.m., 57 1 o'clock in the afternoon, with 61 the forecasted high at drop off later on this afternoon. So very fall-like seasonal day, but tonight not nearly as cold. Clouds are rolling in tonight, chance for rain before daybreak tomorrow. So the low temperature will likely be upper 40s the closer you get to Metro Airport. Winds begin to pick up, though, as we head throughout the day tomorrow. Pumping in the warmth. It's that southerly wind gusting around 30 miles per hour that could take us to 78. Showers early, not all day, windy and warm, though, as we head throughout the afternoon. Here's an hour-by-hour look. So I've stopped the clock at 4 o'clock this afternoon. We're looking at the 61 degrees for the afternoon high. But by the time we get into tomorrow, here's that chance for rain that brushes through the area, probably closer to 5 a.m. or so. I won't rule out a few embedded thunderstorms with this. That likely tracks a little farther north, but most of that out of here right around sunrise. We spend the rest of the day dry. Wednesday is dry, but Thursday, here's that rain that starts to creep into the area around 7, 8 a.m. We're starting to see some of that rain. And then in the afternoon, we have a chance for some of that rain to reoccur. Here's more of a broad view of what we have going on here. Starting the clock midnight Thursday morning, rain heavier over Lake Michigan. Now, it does weaken some as it pushes in, but by 8, 9 a.m., we're dealing with rain, maybe a few embedded thunderstorms on Thursday as well, and still could have some of the rain throughout mid-afternoon. But this model pushing that out of here right around the time of trick-or-treating east into Ontario. So we'll have to see if it times out that way, because we have a few more days to really fine-tune that timeline. But you'll need the umbrella Thursday. We just have to really figure out if it's going to be a hinder for the trick-or-treating. 30-mile-per-hour wind speeds Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if you have a witch hat, part of that costume, it might go blowing away, because we will have really gusty conditions on Thursday. But we're sliding in temperatures for your Friday. Highs only in the 50s. We'll be on either side of 60 this weekend, with rain working back in Sunday. And that's good sleeping weather. Good thing, because you get that extra hour of sleep come Sunday morning.